what is up, guys? So in this video, I'll give you the 4 best tips to increase your push-up max. These are not in any particular order. Just pick the one that you can stick to and fit your schedule. As you know me, I don't like to waste time, so let's get the video started. Number 1, greasing the groove. You probably heard this before. This is very popular in the calisthenics community. In basic terms, you practice your skill for a sub-maximum amount throughout the day, so you get enough practice with low to medium intensity and build strength from there. I literally did this when I first started calisthenics with handstands, with push-ups, pull-ups, and it's worked for me. Let's just say you can do 30 push-ups. And what we're going to do is practice 40 to 50% of the max. In this case, it's between 10 to 15 push-ups. And you do 10 to 15 push-ups throughout the day for 8 to 10 sets. You can do every hour, every few hours, but it should be challenging, but it should be too tiring. The idea behind this is that you do it so many times that your body gets used to it. So you're building technique and strength, which will let you increase your push-ups. Classic example is like guitar, right? So instead of practicing like for 3 hours all the time, you probably just like pick it up like whenever you see it, like every few hours. And next you know, like a few months, you're getting better and better, right? Push-ups is the same. As much as the exercise, it's also a skill. Key here is sub-maximal. So you don't want to go too hard, so you fatigue for the next day and you can't do it. You don't want to do too little where it's not challenging enough. If you do put grease in the groove, try to do this every single day or every other day, and your push-up max is going to increase. Number 2, weighted push-ups. Kind of like weights. You know, let's just say you're doing a bicep curl, 10 kilos, feels easy. You move to 12 kilos, 14 kilos, so on, right? And when you go back to 10 kilos, it feels much lighter. Kind of like the same with push-ups. So let's say you can do 30 push-ups, maybe get a backpack, put some books there, put some water bottles, anything that you can load up in the backpack, just put in there. Do 10, 12 reps with that push-ups. Take it off, and you're gonna feel much lighter. Instead of doing push-ups, just practice weighted push-ups for a few weeks. Once you take it off and go back to doing normal push-ups, trust me, you're gonna do more reps because you're just gonna feel way lighter and it's gonna feel much more easier. In terms of rep-wise, I would say mix high and low reps. So maybe one day you load the backpack a bit heavier and stick to maybe 6 to 8 reps. Another day, don't load it as much. Maybe stick to 10 to 15 reps, whatever you like to do. 3 is variations, and this is how calisthenics normally really works, to be fair. Let's say you get better at something, you kind of do something harder with push-ups. Instead of just doing normal push-ups, maybe start doing diamond push-ups, wide push-ups, ultra push-ups, you know, one-arm push-up negatives, pike push-ups. Because these push-ups variations much harder, it's going to build upper body strength in different areas. Once you go back to doing normal push-ups and you've been doing harder variations, it's going to feel much easier and you're going to rep out more because it's easier. Number 4 is pyramid sets. So let's say you can do 20 push-ups, right? You can't do 20 push-ups every set with perfect form because that's your max. So instead of doing that, maybe you do 20 push-ups first set, 18 push-ups second set, 16 push-ups third set, 14 push-ups fourth set, and so on. The reason pyramid sets are amazing is because you're challenging yourself and you're working at a high intensity, but your form and technique will be much better than doing straight sets. And also doing straight sets does kind of get very boring, you know, just sticking to the same reps. With this, you're challenging yourself, you know, it's a different stimulus and it's going to keep you motivated to challenge yourself. So like pyramid sets, I'll give you the example 20, 18, 16, 14, 12. You do that for one session, maybe next session you move on to 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. So you're kind of adding a few more reps, but you're challenging yourself every time. Those are the 4 tips to increase your push-up max. Hope this video brought some value to you. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment down below what video you'd like to see next, and I'll catch you guys in a bit.